Ever wondered how your garden could contribute to a greener, healthier planet? Eco-friendly gardening using native plants creates a sustainable, wildlife-friendly garden. It's not just about beauty, it's about balance. Let's explore the top 5 native plants you can incorporate into your garden for an eco-friendly touch. Number 1 on our list is the butterfly weed. This native gem is known for its vibrant orange flowers, attracting a multitude of pollinators. It's drought-tolerant, making it a perfect choice for sustainable gardening. A vibrant addition, the butterfly weed is truly a gardener's delight. Coming in at number 2 is the captivating blue wild indigo. Known for its stunning deep blue blooms, this plant is a butterfly magnet, promoting biodiversity. It's also drought-resistant, making it a sustainable choice. With its deep blue hue, the blue wild indigo is sure to add a dash of color to your garden. At number 3, we have the versatile switchgrass. This hardy perennial thrives in various climates, offering year-round interest with its tall, elegant stems. It's a haven for wildlife and helps prevent soil erosion. The switchgrass, a low-maintenance addition that packs a punch. 4th on our list is the stunning purple coneflower. Known for its vibrant petals and cone-shaped heart, this plant attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. It's drought-resistant, making it an eco-friendly addition to any garden. The purple coneflower, where beauty meets sustainability. And finally, at number 5, we have the charming black-eyed Susan. This cheerful yellow perennial is resilient, drought-tolerant, and attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. Its low-maintenance nature makes it an ideal choice for sustainable gardening. The black-eyed Susan, a sunny addition to any eco-friendly garden. And there you have it, the top 5 native plants for your eco-friendly garden. Remember, choosing native species fosters sustainability and supports local wildlife. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!